Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Pink Pixie. And guess what we're cooking today? We are cooking some chicken Alfredo, and tonight I'm gonna add a little broccoli and a little shrimp. We're gonna mix it all up together, and we're gonna have some dinner rolls. So stay tuned until I present my dish. See you in a sec. Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm so glad that you took the time out to watch my video for my dish, chicken Alfredo. And I know that my Alfredo may not be the way you have seen others do, but I wanted mine to be special for me because I'm such a picky eater and I like things a certain way. But I promise you, if you follow the directions the way that I gave them to you, then you will love my recipe as well. Also guys, before you leave, I want you to click below and hit that subscribe button, okay? Pink Pixie, that's what's up.